Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment declined by your bank, and there might be a few reasons why it was declined in the first place. So the first reason might be daily limits, because a lot of times maybe you have a daily limit set up on your card, and the payment that you wanted to do, it exceeded the daily limit. In that case, you need to check if it was that reason. Another reason is your card expired, so please make sure that everything is right or wrong. And then if you did multiple tries and it was wrong, like the pin code or something like that was incorrectly entered, then bank might think that it is a suspicious act and might shut your account for temporary. And then if it's an unaccepted card type, so make sure it's the right supported one. Also, a lot of time you put in like a bunch of wrong information, like maybe instead of one or two you did another number. So make sure you verify if everything is right. And finally, a lot of time what happens is if you're doing it online, let's say on Walmart, and maybe Walmart servers are down, so you need to make sure that everything is working. And if nothing really seems to be the solution, then what you need to do is actually contact your bank people and let them know that, hey, I'm facing this issue. What should I do? And they'll let you know. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.